What's up, creative minds? Have you smiled here today? If you've not, please do. I am Serenjo, a professional photographer, videographer, and retoucher as well. You're welcome to Inversion Ghana. Today, I'm going to be discussing with you the best and easiest way there is to do frequency separation. Now, trust me, you might be a photographer already, you might know frequency separation already or not. But this technique is going to make your life a whole lot easier. I won't waste much of your time. Let me roll the intro so that I can show you what I'm talking about. And if you like this video well enough, be sure to hit the like button, give us a comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up Photoshop. I'm going to use this image. I shot this picture for Edward Zion Bespoke. Be sure to follow him on Instagram if you like. Now, I've already developed this picture, so I'm not going to go through the panel again. That's why I just loaded the preset. If you want to know how I developed this picture, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to cover that in another video. If you want to learn how to develop any picture at all in the camera raw, you should let me know in the comment section below, and I'll cover that in my next video. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. It looks good already, but this tutorial is for frequency separation. So the first thing I do for a picture when I bring it to Photoshop is I make a copy of it. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to make more copies, but you know, before you do frequency separation, I advise you remove pimples and blemishes, other blemishes from the skin before you do everything. So I'll go ahead and use the spot healing brush. You are welcome to use any tool you want, but that's my favorite, the spot healing brush too. I'll use it to clean these. Don't be lazy. You need to clean as many as you can. Okay, don't be lazy. Take your time. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you want to learn how to properly use the spot healing brush, and I'll cover that in another video. Okay, so it's looking good already. That's the before and the after. Go ahead and make 2 more copies of the background layer. Okay, so select this one, hide this, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now this is a problem for most people when it comes to setting the correct blur radius for your pictures when doing frequency separation. It's a headache for most people. Let me show you a way to get around that. Now, when you are doing frequency separation, take your time, zoom in, look at the lips, look at the lip lines, look at the eyes, look at the outlines of the image. You should be sure the image is blurred enough that all the texture in the image is blurred out. I mean, you can see it's all blurred out. Yeah, but you should also be sure it's not blurred to the point that you can't see the individual in the photo. Okay, if it's so blurred I can't see the individual in the photo, you are doing it all wrong. Okay, so for this picture I think 6.5 is okay. I'll hit OK, and I'll select the first layer and unhide it. Now go to image, apply image, and select the image you just apply the blur on. Okay, that's background copy 2. Make sure this is set to subtract, the opacity is set to 100, scale set to 2, offset to 128, and hit OK. Now change the blending mode to linear light, and you might decide to group them or not. I like to group them. I'll call this FS, frequency separation. Okay, this will be my LF, my low frequency layer, and high frequency layer. Okay, so select the low frequency layer, select your mixer brush, not the brush, this is the brush, this is the mixer brush, so we are using the mixer brush. If you don't find the mixer brush here, go here and you should find it here. There you go. Good. So let me go ahead and reset this. Okay, so this is the default settings of the mixer brush. When you select your mixer brush, if you've not used it already, this is how it's going to look like. Clean this. Go ahead and click here so that you can clean this, and then set the wet to 2%. Leave the rest as it is, and make sure the hardness is set all the way down to 0. Make sure the the low frequency layer is selected, and use an appropriate brush size to brush the skin in the direction of the skin. Okay, so I'm not going to do this. No. So I'm going to brush in the direction of the skin, and don't be lazy. If you need to decrease the brush size, decrease it. For example, if you are brushing areas like around the nose bridge where a smaller brush size is required, decrease the brush size. Don't be lazy. So keep brushing and keep brushing. I'm going to share a link to download a frequency separation action in the description below. So check the description below. If you don't have an action for frequency separation already, be sure to download it so that it can make your life easier. It will speed up your workflow. Okay. Okay, so I think it's looking good already. Let's take a look at the before and the after. The before and the after. I think our picture is looking good already. Keep brushing till you've brushed enough and you like how it looks. Okay, so once you're done with this, you can take it from here. You can do your color grading and all the other things, sharpening and whitening the teeth and whatever you want to do. But this is how you do frequency separation. This is the best way I found to do frequency separation. Use the mixer brush, set this to 2%, keep brushing in the direction of the skin, and be sure to blur it just enough when blurring, when selecting the blur radius, and you should be good. Okay, so I'll be sure to cover a complete skin retouching tutorial, where I'll take you from A to Z on how to retouch skin and still have it looking all natural but the skin texture all intact. Okay, but if you do this, trust me, you are good to go. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. I'm sure you picked up a thing or two. Please check the description below for a link to download the Photoshop action for free if you don't have it already. Now please give us a like. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Please share our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Now remember to stay creative and keep smiling. I am Sir Angel in Rare Version Ghana. You can follow me on Instagram at I am Sir Angel. Until our next video, see ya.